Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber introduced various technologies including drones and body cameras to be implemented by the Border Management Authority on Thursday, the 10th of April. Schreiber said the equipment will protect officials and help combat corruption by monitoring both illegal entrants and corrupt officials. The new equipment will be deployed for the first time over the Easter weekend, which is a very busy time at the borders.
Look, if it was up to me, we'd be deploying the most advanced technology in every field of our work. But I think the important point to make is this capability never existed before. So in the past, your surveillance of the port and borderline environment was always dependent on people. So we've already taken a huge step by introducing this technology. And importantly, they will not be confined only to 4 specific ports. So if there's a need that develops in a specific area, they will be deployed there. I mean, these drones can launch within 15 seconds. If there's an emergency, we'll get them in the sky and we'll start moving. They can go as high as 7 kilometers. So people can't see actually that this drone is coming.
Drone operator Nonhlanhla Mthembu explained in detail how the drone works.
So as you can see, that is the drone. As small as it is, it does a wonderful job. And you control the drone from the screen here, as you can see. As you can see, you've got the camera. It's facing that way. Whatever the camera can see, I can control and see it from the screen. As the minister mentioned earlier, we've got different sensors or different cameras that we can get from this drone. So you've got the normal camera that just captures the overview. You've got the zoom camera, which is very good. You can see, if you're flying, you can see something that is about 20 kilometers away. That's how good it is. The aircraft can go as high as 7,000 meters in the air. It also has a thermal camera, which reads heat signatures, as he mentioned earlier. Meaning at night, when it's pitch black, where you can't really use your normal cameras, it will detect if a person or a car is moving. It also has AI detection, meaning especially at night when you fly, you can see something moving. Sometimes you're not sure whether it's a dog, it's a cow, or it's a person. The AI is able to detect what that particular object is, which will be very useful for people who are trying to sneak in the country illegally and all that for the border operations. It also has a tracking mode in the drone, meaning if you've identified a suspect or a vehicle, you simply click on that and it will follow. The camera will follow no matter where the person or the vehicle goes. It will always follow the person, which will be very helpful. You can even put a pin, drop a pin on the map. As you can see, I've also got a map here. Wherever you're flying, you're able to access the map. The drone will automatically detect where you are. So you can drop a pin and also communicate with the ground team. Because remember, the drone is more of your eyes in the air, but you also need to be able to communicate with the people who are supposed to be, if you're catching someone and all that. You drop a pin, they're able to get the coordinates and all that.
Schreiber also said the department would not apologize for the new technologies not being part of the State Information Technology Agency, the SITA, as they would be then subject to network and connectivity problems. An important aspect of this technology is that it can be used for prosecution in a court of law.
Through the body cameras are integrated with a digital evidence database. So in the back end here, this is what makes it quite unique, is a secure storage of this data, and this storage is admissible in court. That's really the important thing. So in other words, it's got chain of custody from the recording of the footage to depositing it in a court case is a secure digital process. So that's where really we are able to then get prosecutions out of the use of this technology.
Share your thoughts with us on this, Sowetan's.